So I've got a number of roles. They vary quite dramatically from being an intensive care nurse to also being an Aeromed nurse. So involved in transporting patients, generally on returning back to UK when they've been out serving. The main thing that I've learned is leadership through promotion courses and just general exposure within the military. It's very much encouraged and promoted and taught to be able to lead people, but also be able just to communicate well. That was something that I was never exposed to before, but that's definitely is in the forefront of the RAF. That certainly exposed me to ideas that I hadn't thought of before, and any skills that I come back with, I can certainly, if I want to bring them forward and do, that's positively encouraged. I was looking for something else that would challenge me, but be able to continue in my full-time employment. I also felt that I had the expertise and the knowledge to be able to look after people that are putting themselves in harm's way for our country. These men and women do put themselves in some extremely risky positions, and we have to be able to deliver care for them and to be the best care possible.